Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's unit is from UNice Hair. This is not my first time working with this company. I've worked with them a lot in the past and I will still be working with them in the future because they bring the most amazing wigs, okay? Every wig that I get from them, I'm just like in awe and I love it. So this is going to be the quickest video ever because this is a wear and go unit. So all I did was put the wig on my head. But before we get into the install, let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay, let's get straight into the unboxing. So this unit is from UNice Hair. It came in this pink satchel bag and inside of it was a red box with all the contents. So we're going to be unboxing all the contents right now. Okay, so the first thing inside is the wig. This wig is a wear and go unit and it is curly. It is so freaking pretty. It's 24 inches. As you can see, it is so defined. The curls are so defined on this unit. It is 150% density, which is a little bit above natural. So you get a little bit more hair to play with. Look at that hairline. It's a 6 by 4.5 lace closure wig, okay? And on the inside it does have an adjustable elastic band. Inside came sticky notes, nude wig cap, retractable brush, a melting band, some faux mink lashes, and a fuchsia pink satin robe. So the hair is now freshly washed. As you can see, it is even more defined. It looks so beautiful. I just adjusted the straps and now we're just going to put the unit on our head and we're going to see if it is a true wear and go. Alright, so I'm putting the unit on my head and girl, that's it. As you can see, I don't have to do anything. It literally looks like scalp. Okay, looks like my hairline because they plucked it already. They did everything. They did all the work, girl. All I did was put the wig on. I really enjoyed this unit. So let's get more of a close-up. So this is what the hairline is looking like. I'm just lifting it so you can see that it is truly a glueless wig. Okay, glueless. And I'm also just showing you that that's lace under there. Look how good that looks. That's a true HD lace closure, baby, okay? You run that comb across and you can see. I'm shaking it just so you can know that it is not coming off. It is so freaking beautiful. This is how long it is in the back. How bouncy it is. Look how luscious those curls are. I'm giving you every single angle, okay? But yeah, this unit is just to die for. If you are someone who does not know how to do wigs or, you know, apply them, this is the one for you. So this unit is from UNice Hair. This is their curly wear and go. It is in 24 inches. It has 150% density and the lace is a 6 by 4.5. Okay, so you get a lot of parting space. The curls on this unit are so luscious. Like there's no added product. And look at these curls. Look at these curls. When I received the unit, I washed it like I always do, and as y'all saw, all I did was put the unit on my head, okay? That is all. The great thing about this wig, it is definitely beginner friendly because you don't have to do anything. The lace comes pre-cut already. So like you don't even have to cut the lace yourself. It is a glueless wig, and let me show you. I did not glue it down at all, and I am running it is not glued down at all, and look, that's all. Like, it is 100% glueless, and the cap is breathable. The fact that I did not have to do any plucking is amazing. As you can see, it is super duper natural around the hairline. So they did a really good job, and this is definitely a wig that I would recommend. I'm not experiencing any tangling, any shedding, any matting or snagging. The hair is curly, so you're not going to be running your fingers through it. As far as products, I just use regular. I would recommend you do your curly hair routine every other day if you aren't using product. If you are using product, you might be able to do it a little bit longer because the hair is very soft and plush, so it might get a little frizzy. So I would recommend, if you do use some type of curly hair product, that you wash it maybe every 3 days or so, every 3 to 4 days or so, because it'll last a little longer. But for the most part, it is the lowest maintenance you are going to get, okay? When it comes to wigs, this is the lowest maintenance you're gonna get. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. If y'all have any questions for me, y'all can let me know down in the comments and I will get back to you. I thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna have the links to UNice hair, this wig, and everything you need to know down in the bottom bar. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.